Hello, today we will guide you through how to download and install Zoom. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find Zoom's official website and make sure you're downloading the app from a trusted source. Once the Google homepage is open, click into the search bar and type in Zoom, then run the search. When the search results appear, look for the official Zoom page and click it. This is important because you want to avoid downloading software from third-party websites. Using the official page helps make sure you get the correct and most up-to-date version of the app. After the Zoom website loads, move to the top area of the screen and click on Meet. This will take you into the section of the site where you can find options related to using Zoom for online meetings. From there, click on Download App. This opens the Zoom download page where you can choose the version that matches your computer. On the download page, click the option for the 64-bit download. In most cases, this is the standard choice for modern computers. Once you select it, the installer file will begin downloading. Depending on your browser and internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder so you can find the Zoom installer file. If your browser shows the finished download at the bottom or top of the window, you may also be able to open it from there. Once you locate the installer, double-click it to run the file. At this point, your computer may ask for permission to allow the installer to make changes. If that happens, simply approve the prompt so the installation can continue. After that, follow the on-screen procedure to install Zoom. The installer will guide you through the rest of the process, and in many cases, the installation finishes automatically with very little input needed. Once installation is complete, Zoom should open or become available from your desktop or applications menu. If it does not open right away, you can launch it manually and continue with signing in or joining a meeting as needed. That's all it takes to download and install Zoom. If you are following along, take your time with each screen and make sure you are clicking the official download options for the smoothest setup experience.